You know, this Marbella luxury and smart estate is the talk of the town now. It has both commercial plots and also it has residential plots. You can get a 300 square meter or a 500 square meter for a residential plot, while the commercial plot is 1,000 square meter. It's also along the Lekki-Epe Expressway. You know, I'm recommending it to you because I know that this is a good estate that is still on pre-launch. It's still on pre-launch. You know, this is an opportunity for you. This is an opportunity.
Hello, I'm talking to you. Good morning. Sorry for pushing you like that.
I'm on call.
Okay, please.
I'm on call.
Okay, I need
please
to...
hold on. I will call you back. I
need to ask you something. I want to get a property here, and how can I go about it? What are the steps to take to go about buying a property here?
You want to get Marbella luxury and smart estate.
Yes.
You are about to make one of the biggest decisions in your life that will change your life.
Wow, tell me more about it.
It's fantastic. This particular, just like you can see, it's already facing the Lekki Expressway. It has a sea of food, and it's both commercial and residential.
Wow,
fantastic estate. For you to own a plot here is simple. Let me tell you the step-by-step guide on how to go about it.
All right.
Number one, the number you see on this particular screen now, that's the first thing to do. Is either you call or you WhatsApp. When you call and you WhatsApp and you know the plot you want to get, then you'll be given a form. But since you are here, this will be the form. This is a physical form.
So can I have the form?
Yes, this is the form. This is a physical form. So, but in case you are seeing this online, you can WhatsApp us, then we'll send you the form online. Then you fill the form. After filling the form, you put your name, you see your name, your address, and other details, and also make sure that you put and tick the right and put the initial deposit. Initial deposit is 5 million now. You pay 5 million now to this account. Don't pay to any other account. Make sure you pay to this account for the account you see on the form. It's very, very important. Then after filling the form and you pay, the next thing you need to do next is to you scan this form and send it to us, either through WhatsApp or through mail, and also send your proof of payment. Then when you do that, then first you will get your receipt. Listen, you will get your receipt. You also get your contract of sale to be sent to your email. Then from that, you are now on your way to own this plot of land. If you pay your initial deposit, you will get the contract and your receipt. And also, if you pay outright, fantastic. But the good part is, immediately you finish paying, I can assure you that we'll schedule a date for you to come for allocation. This is the biggest commercial hub we have in this Lekki-Epe Expressway, and just look around. It's close to the Lakwe golf course, it's close to the Lekki, it's close to Macarius luxury place, it's close to the beach. So this is an opportunity for you to own, and for you to say you want to buy, I congratulate you. You are doing well. This is the form. Me have the form. This is the form. All right. And make sure that you fill the form. And when you fill the form, you send it to us through WhatsApp or through email. All right. Then from there, we'll take it up from there. And I can assure you that you will get the best. And note, don't buy from any other person. Buy from landproperty.ng. That is where you should buy. And don't pay to any other account apart from the account you have on the form. It's very, very important. So thank you so much for making the decision to buy and own a plot in Marbella luxury and smart estate. I would recommend you watching this video. This is an opportunity for you to own multiple plots in this Marbella luxury and smart estate right here in Lekki-Epe Expressway. The price of the 300 square meter is on the screen. The price of the 500 square meter residential plot is on the screen, and also the price of the commercial plot is also on the screen. And with 5 million initial deposit, you are good to go. The good part is this particular estate is still on pre-launch, which will end on the 30th of June 2024. So take advantage before this pre-launch price ends. This is an opportunity for you, which I don't want you to miss for anything. My name is Dennis Isong. I help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria. But if you're a Nigerian in Nigeria, I can also assist you too. So the number on the screen is our number. Feel free to call us. Let's assist you in owning a plot right here in Marbella luxury and smart estate right here in Lekki-Epe Expressway.